Alright, this is Yamaha XSR floor exhaust for the TEC bike parts exhaust.
So while you're watching the time lapse of me installing the exhaust, there are a few things I would like to mention before the sound test at the end of the video. Firstly, yes, I'm wearing sandals. Secondly, one gripe that I have with the exhaust is the muffler is a bit annoying to install because it mounts using the same bolt holes as the foot pegs. And if you don't clearance them correctly, the muffler might end up rubbing on your brake pedal, which is also annoying. But those are the only two things that I don't like about it. Everything else is great. In total, it took me 2 hours to install the exhaust, but I blame that mostly on myself because of my inexperience. The build quality is excellent, being made entirely of stainless steel. The price of the exhaust is €250, not including the €50 it took to ship to the UK to the US, making the total €300 or about $340. On their website, it says it increases mid-range and max power, and after riding it for a while, I can say that this is in fact true. The style of the exhaust fits perfectly on my XSR 700. I will leave a link to the exhaust and to a tutorial put out by TEC Bike Parts in the description below.
Alright, this is Yamaha XSR 700 with the TEC bike parts exhaust.
Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it up to this point, make sure to find something better to do because I don't know what to tell you.